Alright, hey, what's up everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare App. So, this video is a little different. I don't know about you guys. I don't know what you guys think of strikes. I think strikes are great. Strikes are an amazing way for people to get their voice heard in general. Throughout history, strikes have been great, but there's a reason why sometimes these Uber and Lyft strikes don't work. And I actually do think that a couple of the last strikes did have a pretty big impact. So kudos to all the drivers that did go on strike. I personally did not go on strike. That's just because I'm pretty happy with the way Uber and Lyft currently is, and I think it's a great way for extra income, and a lot of the people striking wanted to be an employee, and I just don't really agree with them. But I just saw this Facebook post, so I'm in this Facebook group. You know, we have our own Facebook group. Link in the description if you want to join that. But I was looking at this one. This is why, guys, that these strikes usually don't work. You'll see what I'm talking about. But one, they're always really unorganized. Two, there's never any notice. If there is, it's like, I don't know, a couple days. And then three, it's on like the worst day ever. Like, I think last one it was on like a Wednesday, like, I don't know, like a Wednesday from like 7 to 9 a.m. And it's like, okay, but here, you can see it. So this is called the break room for Uber and Lyft drivers. This person goes, strike tomorrow, 12 to 2, downtown Lyft hub, please come. First and foremost, this is a national group. So it doesn't even say where like downtown could be literally anywhere, any downtown city in the entire US. Secondly, it's only from 12 to 2. Thirdly, it's tomorrow. Is that AM or PM? I don't know. Let's look at some of these comments, see what people say. This one says, cool flash strike. Everyone go there, please. This guy says, you call that a strike? Kevin Patrick says, so you realize that 95% of strikes are not Facebook groups or strikes don't work. Yeah, also is that like, there's hardly any drivers that actually are on Facebook or YouTube. Most drivers are not on Facebook or YouTube, so like, announcing it in some random group is not gonna make it a strike. This person says they believe in dreams. This is the person that posted it. This guy says, contact the Rideshare Professor. I guess the Rideshare Professor is like the king of strikes now, or like he has the authority on whether or not a strike is happening, which, yeah, shout out to Rideshare Professor. They're actually pretty cool that they, like he's the go-to guy now. Not in a negative way, like I think that's cool. Jason Richard says, downtown where? She goes, sorry, Lyft hub on Santa Fe. I'm dependent on GPS? What? Yeah, and then he goes, this is a national group. And then she goes, for those in LA, try posting that in LA driver group. Good luck tomorrow from the Bay. Against? Question mark? Yeah, like people don't even know what the strike is against. John says, will there be cake? What happened to that Drivers United crap? Quietly strike. This guy posts a freaking DoorDash referral code. Downtown LMAO, honey, this isn't a local group. Lyft hub on Santa Fe, downtown LA. Like, there's no details. Who's downtown? Lyft hub on Santa Fe. Santa Fe where? Like Santa Fe Springs? Santa Fe, New Mexico? There's so many Santa Fe's in the United States. She just says, sorry. Margie, what union are you striking with? I don't know Lyft drivers work company and have a union. I didn't get the memo. And then she just replies, one word, protest. And then she goes, oh, okay, your post said strike. National group, our Lyft hub isn't in a downtown. You can't strike as an independent contractor. I'm just taking a day off of work. Exactly. Hope more quit, more rides from me, LOL. This guy goes, that's dumb. This is hilarious. LOL, you realize you are considered self-employed. Are you striking against yourself? Incorrect. What is 2 hours gonna do? Absolutely nothing. Exactly. Rush hour 7 a.m., 10 a.m. 10 a.m. isn't even rush hour. Ruben Cruz doing it as a rush hour strike still is nothing. There was a strike made known by local news here in Dallas like a little over a month ago. It didn't even affect the surge rates or inconvenience the rider. You're beating a dead horse. This guy goes, hashtag winning. Who is talking to Lyft? With the union, you have someone in contact with the CEO? So what are we taking? New York, Tallahassee, Sacramento, Ottawa, Sydney, Bayonne? Yeah, that's like every downtown. Oh, rest in peace. Which downtown? There are many Lyft hubs, just saying. This goes on and on, guys. I got the horses in the back. Alright guys, I thought that was just a really quick laugh for you guys. I had to share that thread with you all. Don't give the video a thumbs down. This is just for fun and games. If you are gonna plan on strike, just make sure you're more organized than these guys. Yeah. Again, I'm not against strikes. This is why they don't work, usually. But like the ones that are organized in advance, I think do have a good effect. So, alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you laughed at that. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye guys.